Oh, you started. Let me first put this here. Hi people! Hi guys, it's Jessang again here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the newbies here, you are welcome to the Jessanga gang. Yeah, today I'm very excited people. I'm doing something that I don't normally do, the unusual. Yeah, I normally do covers on this channel, but today I decided, let me share something with my gang. And just like the same knowledge is power, yeah? You know that I'm a motivational speaker or like a meditate life, yeah? But I'm simply sharing. I'm a work in progress, and I know there's always something to share with a friend here. It's not like you're going to go and die and live and go put in our graves with our knowledge that we have. Yes, so it's always good to share with friends. Yeah, I hope this that I'm going to share today is, you know, developmental or improves someone's life, touches someone's life. Yeah. So what am I sharing today? Today I'm sharing about how to apply gratitude in our lives, in our daily lives. Yeah. What is gratitude anyway? Yeah, I know most of you know gratitude as a word. You know the definition maybe, or even used gratitude as a word in a composition, or you've heard it being sung in songs. But what is gratitude? Yeah, gratitude is simply being thankful or taking the effort to appreciate the things that make us feel good, the things around us that, you know, bring joy to our lives, yeah? The blessings that we have within our lives, yeah? I know the fact when a friend gives you a gift on your birthday, you know, you express gratitude, you know? You're happy about the gift, so you say thank you, express gratitude in many ways. When a partner or your husband, your boyfriend cooks you a nice dinner, you know, you express gratitude, yeah? Because you're happy that they've done you know, a favor, they've done you something good. Yes, so I could go on and on about the acts of kindness that we express gratitude for when, you know, we receive, yeah? But I think gratitude shouldn't only stop at us receiving, yeah? And, you know, only expressing it when we receive things, yeah? I think it should be something that we should live in our day-to-day lives, daily lives, like we let it be ongoing, it should be routine, it should be a lifestyle, yeah? So, you know, we live in a fast-moving world many times. People are always chasing money, chasing the paper, you know. We don't take the time to pause and appreciate the things that live around us that make us smile, the things that are beautiful, the blessings that we have around us. Even when we are given the time, you know, to take a breather, you know, sit back and relax, yeah? We are in a rush to get back to chasing the paper, looking for money, yeah? We don't take enough time to appreciate the things that we love, yeah? So, I think as human beings, we are wired like this, but I'll give you an example of the times that we've had under lockdown, yeah? Many of us were home, you know, locked down. We're not essential workers, so we were working from home. And I think the rest of the world was doing the same. Many countries that were under lockdown, yeah? But there was a lot of social media negativity. People were saying, we are locked down in the house, we are bored in the house. There was even a song that was done about being bored in the house that trended on TikTok, okay? Yes, so people were passing a lot of negativity, saying how they're bored, how they can't wait to get out, how they, you know. So, and went on and on and on about the negativity, but they weren't posting the positive things that were going on in their lives, yeah? They weren't appreciating the beauty around them. While people were complaining about being bored in the house, there were so many death statistics. Yeah, in Italy, you know, in the USA, in Germany, yeah. While someone was bored in the house and complaining, there was someone who didn't have food to eat, yeah, who didn't have food to eat. But this person complaining about being bored in the house has a full fridge in their house, full of things to eat, yeah. They even have extra and they're throwing away, yeah. While someone was complaining about being bored in the house, there was someone in Monaco who was on their deathbed, yeah. I could go on and on about the many things that we should be grateful for that we are never grateful for. But, you know, just simply waking up in the morning, yeah, being able to breathe, yeah, having your senses working, having your ears, having your nose working for you, having your two eyes, having your mouth to speak, yeah, standing on your 2 feet because it's someone who's working on their limbs, yeah. So I think as human beings, we need to be more grateful and appreciate the beauty that lives around us, yeah. And we take these things for granted, but if these things were taken away from us, we'd feel the pinch like it would be a big impact on our lives, but we don't even notice. because we still have these things. So why not appreciate them now that we have them? Why not, take time to appreciate the things that make us feel good, the things that, make our lives meaningful, yeah? And we also need to learn to be more thankful, to say thank you more often. I know many people say, I don't have to say thank you, but you don't lose a leg, you don't lose a foot, you lose nothing by saying thank you, yeah? Say thank you to the gate man that, opens and closes for you the gate as you get into your home or as you get into your workplace. Say thank you to your maid, yeah? For making you a nice cup of tea, or for simply looking after the home, looking after the children while you go out and hustle. Some of you will say, I pay her money, I pay her 100K, I pay her 15K, I pay her 150K, I don't have to thank her, she has to do that work for me anyway because I pay her. But guys, when you get appreciation at your workplace from your boss, yeah, for simply excelling at your job, don't you feel good? Doesn't it make you feel good? When you get a salary increment at the end of the year, yeah, for doing a good job throughout the year, for the company, for adding value to the company, don't you feel good about it? I think your maid would feel the same way if you did that for them, or simply say thank you, even if you don't even increase their salary, because many people actually in life don't mind about the material things, yeah, but they appreciate the words of wisdom that come from us. The thank you there, when you take the effort to appreciate the effort they put in our lives, then it's enough for them. Even if you don't give them money, they're good to go, yeah. So I think it's very important to say thank you more often, yeah. And even as human beings, I think the problems in our lives shouldn't be the things that we emphasize, yeah? Many times things happen to challenge us within our lives, but I think challenges are part of life and they're not going to go away. They're going to keep in our lives like until forever. But I think we should learn to appreciate the beauty, to pick the positivity around the challenges, yeah? And emphasize that, yeah? Because much as you emphasize the negativity, it's going to attract the negative things within your life, yeah? When you emphasize the negative stuff, you'll attract negativity within your life. When you emphasize positivity, then you're going to attract positivity within your life. And even the aura that you give off is going to rub off on the people around you, yeah? So it's important that you have great energy, positive energy around you, so that you pull off the positive things within your life, yeah? So people, I'm going to share a few things that I apply within my life, yeah, to emphasize gratitude. Yeah, you could pick a thing or two, you could apply it, or you probably know it already and you're applying it in your life, yeah? One of the things that I do within my life, I have a gratitude journal. It's like a notebook that I noting things I'm grateful for. So every morning I note down three things I'm grateful for, yeah? Then in the evening before I go to bed, I jot down 3 things that I'm grateful for within my day, yeah? Then even the second thing is I always emphasize gratitude through saying things I'm grateful for. Like I say them out, like in the bathroom when I'm showering. I emphasize, I speak out, like I found them, I reaffirm them. It's something that you could also do. I said things like I'm grateful for my life, I'm grateful for the wonderful family I have, I'm grateful for my daughter, I'm grateful for my job. So you could also take that tip and apply it as it applies to your life, yeah? Even still, I have a friend who, in their family, they have a routine that they do. When they gather for dinner in the evening, each one of them is tasked to say 2 things that they're grateful for from their day, yeah? They share 2 things they're grateful for. So you can also take this and apply it to your life if you think it could work for you to be more grateful, yeah? Even still, you can smile more often. You don't lose a thing by smiling, yeah? You never know what your smile could do for someone. Maybe someone is having a bad day and you simply smiling will lift them up, yeah? So those are the few things that I have that I always use within my life to emphasize gratitude. If you think I should be sharing more things, excuse me, let me take a water break, yeah? Give me a moment. That feels good, yeah. Yeah, no perfection here. Yeah. Anyway, guys, yeah, like I've shared, if you feel you need to be sharing more of these things, you need to let me know. And even still in the comment section, let me know what you're applying within your life yeah, to emphasize gratitude, something I could learn from you, yeah, just like I've shared, share with me as well. I know I have many people from all over the world, different parts of the world watching this on my channel. So share with me. Feel free to let me know what you think I should apply to, what you think other people should be using within in their lives, you know, to emphasize gratitude and be more grateful for the beautiful things they have around them. Yeah. So guys, I want to take more of your time. Hope you love that. Hope it's going to be developmental to you. Hope it's going to change your life in a way. And if you think I should be sharing more often some of these tips which I apply within my life, let me know. And also, if you feel too nice, if you feel you like this video, you know what to do, like, click on the like, and even the guys who haven't subscribed, you know what to do, subscribe, still recommend my channel to your friends. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Hope to see you again next time.